gonna show you how to tie this hair scarf. This is one of my favorite summer ones. I figured it was time to do a good video on the hair scarf. So I fold it like this, and then I fold the bottom corner up like that. So you have this situation. And then I put it in the back of my head like that. Then tie it. I leave it kind of loose actually. And then I just do a bow and I pull the opposite directions. I kind of pull it out so it's a little bit loose. And then I just pop in some of my favorite earrings. Also, you can pull like little pieces out like that. And that is all, folks. Easy, breezy. On bad hair days in the summer when you really don't feel like doing anything, it's like, looks like I'm done. Like I did something.